fresh air, which is a good thing right now. It's exercise, both intellectually and spiritually and physically. It all comes together right here. Just taking a time to settle in and finding a presence that we can relate to. It's a wonderful experience. We sit in this beautiful hollow where they call it a pond or a swamp, but it's all created by, in this case, about 4 creatures who have maintained a dam since last year into this year and made it safe for all these birds to come and nest. It all comes together. It's like a puzzle. See that tree out there? That's where I gotta go to get the camera. The trail camera's out there strapped to the tree. The mission is for me to get out there, staying dry, get to the memory stick, change it, and come back. That's the nesting box out there. You can catch a little bit of that. Is make an approach full bore into 2.5 inches. Now, I'm not saying how it's going to make it, but it does, obviously. Yeah. So we're going to be blessed with a family, I think. Yeah. We have 18 nests, 18 families. We've averaged 2 to 3 chicks every season per nest. So we have a potential of maybe 54 babies. We will see those in July. You can look at that beaver lodge, or you can look at something and you see it because it relates to you in a special way. It just speaks to your heart and soul. You can see these birds doing what they do. To the uninformed, that's perhaps not too meaningful, but once you get to know these creatures, you begin to understand. Right now, it's pretty slow because they're still forming families. That's a process that is unique to these creatures, and it takes time, and we just have to settle into that and see what will be revealed in usually about an hour and a half. We get an opportunity to see some of the activity. Nature doesn't cough it up all at once. You got to be patient. Yes, it even smells good right now. Air is coming in from the northwest, and no mosquitoes, no black flies, just you and I, the heron and the beaver. And we're grateful for these creatures. All I can say is I feel blessed to be able to be here and see what's going on. All this nature, and it's affordable to enjoy the creation and at no extra charge.